cold.
We thought it wasn't cold because it's like 30 degrees.
It's cold.
And it's been like 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a 30-degree jump. We're walking to the Han River right now. See you there.
This is cool.
What's this? Nala. You gotta bring treats if you're gonna do that. Check out this view. Alright, we're trying this for the first time. Hopefully we don't mess up.
Can't mess up ramen. Don't take it water.
Just put it right. Oh, 신기하네.
Barcode.
Oh. Oh, this is cool. So the lady helped us because it's her first time. She asked us if it's our first time. So we cracked the egg when there's like 2 minutes left, she said. So, oh, there's a timer. So I guess we prepaid for these, and then she scanned the barcode and then it worked. So there's a timer right here. 3 minutes. She got mad at us. She's saying if you don't stir it right away, then it sinks to the bottom, and then it sticks and then burns.
Aww. Take it. Should we just sit here?
Hold on.
Which one did you get?
Gin ramen? How's ramen?
Delicious.
I don't know what it was about that ramen, but that was the best ramen I ever had. I don't know if it's because it's freezing outside. I don't know if it's because the machine just cooked it perfectly, or we just haven't had ramen in a long time. I do think the machine cooked it perfectly.
Yeah.
And the egg perfectly, and the kimchi. It was great. We're gonna do that again. It's called the Hangang Ramen Special.
Let's go. The two?
Yeah, it's like 4.
We got it in like 2 hours ago.
Imo, long time no see. Long time no see. It's my aunt. It's my youngest aunt. Youngest aunt. 오랜만이에요.
That is a Belgian beef cutter.
Champagne ice.
This is a peel egg and the shiitake mayonnaise, and you can buy it the one time, and you feel in the bomb inside.
Oh, it's a quail like inside.
The slow cooked chicken in the ponzu with the sauce made with curry and cilantro. There is a rolled cucumber with smoked Korean seaweed, and on top is a sakura leaf. Please enjoy.
Thank you.
This is a jokbal. It's a Korean pig feet, but it's made in a Belgian style stew. The curry is made with carrot and pumpkin. On top is a baby kale salad and puffed rice. And this sauce is made with Belgian syrup.
Belgian syrup?
So basically all the pears and apple that are not pretty enough to go to supermarket, they reduce it to syrup. So out of 700 grams they make, 400 grams they make 100 grams of syrup. And there's nothing else inside. And you cannot get it in Korea. Every time Belgian people coming, they have to bring me a few pots.
Oh wow.
Do you guys know gamjatang?
Yeah.
Oh, you as well? Oh, okay. So I like gamjatang, but my problem is it's too much work to take all the meat from the bones. I'm too lazy, or mostly too tired. So we cook the whole original gamjatang, and we take the meat, the potatoes, all the vegetables, all the herbs, all the garnish, and we put everything in each tortellini. And with the soup we make a sauce, and we finish with geni pangaru, sesame leaf breadcrumbs, and sesame leaf oil. This is homemade sourdough bread we bake every morning, no excuse, so you can scrape all the sauce.
Oh, that sounds so good.
Thank you. It's very good. The beef looks like perfect.
So Belgian style Anshin is we have a steak, frites, salad. So we have a steak with French fries, homemade French fries, cooked in 100 fat. And my salad here is namul, kong namul, chigimchi namul, kirigo bosat namul with a truffle mayonnaise. And then also in Belgium we eat mashed potato with mussel and grilled vegetables. And this fish is mignon, wolf, Atlantic wolf fish with fried lotus. Please enjoy. So the mousse on the bottom is based on an Italian cheese called mascarpone. Inside is a Belgian cookie crumble. Ice cream is made with butterscotch, it's whiskey and brown sugar. Cookie with black sesame, and the sauce is made from a raspberry and cava, which is a Spanish sparkling wine. Just take a spoon, break everything, and enjoy.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Finish off with tea and dessert.
So the big one is a cannelé, it's from Bordeaux in France. It's with the brown rum and vanilla. The orange one is a Belgian pâte de fruits, Belgian yang yang with the passion fruit. And the little chocolate is a truffle made with yuja and lime zest.
박사 오랫동안 했었어. 잠깐만 유튜브에 올라가는 거 아니야 이거?
유튜브 찍어요. 엄마한테 뭐랬어?
뭐야 이거 어떻게 인사하는 거야?
아 그냥 우리 엄마 보라고. 우리 엄마 보라고.
Hey,